Hello, I've got some news to share. So I've been dying to get myself a fun little project car for quite a while now. I've owned Toyota hybrids for over 10 years, and before that, I owned a few four-banger Camrys. Very practical and fuel efficient, right? My 2014 Avalon hybrid was going to be my last gasoline car until the larger electric cars, like the Model S, became more mainstream and affordable. Well, the pandemic caused my work to go full remote, so I had an opportunity to get rid of car payments and fulfill my dream of having an impractical project car. Oh. Whew. So I had no luck finding the car I wanted locally. So I jumped onto Copart and won this gem at auction. I was very careful with my pick to ensure the damage was something I could handle. I'm not a professional auto body mechanic, so I followed these simple rules that I chose based on my level of skill and acceptable risk. Only bid on cars being sold by an insurance company. That way, you're less likely to get scammed by an auction car flipper, a person who buys a demolished car and duct tapes the parts together to make the damage look less severe before posting it back to auction for some sucker to buy. Another one is no flood cars. You never know where that water's gotten to, and you never know what problems will surface in the future. Another one is only cars where you can see the extent of the damage. For example, on my car, the bumper was removed and you could clearly see the extent of the damage behind it. I want to avoid the situation where you have a panel that's a little bit dented, but beneath the panel, the frame is crushed. Another one is only damage that I have the proper tools and skills to fix, and no damage that could impact the safety of the occupants, aka my family. That means no cars with frame or structural damage. And the last one is try to find a southern car. Working on a 15-year-old car from the salty north would be miserable. I mean, rust is just everywhere here, and I'm just so sick of it. So I paid a premium due to shipping, but in the end, it's all worth it to me. All right, folks, the car's on its way. And when I say on its way, it's in Massachusetts. It's almost here. So yeah, it's here. It's almost here. I'm pumped. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be great. There's gonna be no extra damage on it. It's gonna be exactly as I saw it in the pictures. Engine's gonna run perfect. Everything's gonna be perfect. Hopefully. Oh man, all right. So that's it for now, folks. I will get back to you soon. Hopefully with a car. Here it is. I got it. But look what they did. Oh, that is not cool. I don't know how much that's gonna cost to fix. Damn it. Expecting, okay. They said, okay, blah, blah, blah. And I said, what? And they said, hello? Oh, hey there. Oh, hey there. How's it going? So I've been dying to get myself a Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, hey.